Ano pong advice nyo sa similarly situated, yung son or daughters of the owner po?
Well, I think they just have to not feel entitled to that and treat everybody like professionally and learn as much as you can about the business and know that you don't know everything. And there will be times na may mas magaling sa'yo, mas magaling yung mga tao mo sa'yo. Actually, mas gusto ko yun. Kailangan mas magaling sila sa akin. Kasi marami akong weaknesses. So sila dapat yung mag-compensate ng weakness ko.
Nakakatuwa namang marinig sa inyo yan.
Hindi, totoo naman yun. I mean, that's why there are many in our team na mas magaling sila. Sila yung aangat.
Kaya ako sinasabi yan, parang natural na kung sino yung boss kahit mali yung boss, tama siya. Pero kayo, ibang style niyo talaga yan.
Oo.
Yung humility.
Mas nakikinig ako sa kanila. Very rare naman na magkaiba. But if magkaiba, meron ako nung reason ko bakit iba. So, but very rare yun.